So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this text on a path in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come up here to the top left corner and the effects page. So then once you come down here to effects and bring down a fusion composition. So now go click on that fusion composition and come down here to the fusion page. So now come over into the toolbar over here and drag down a text plus right here and then connect it to the media out one. So now how we have to do is put our text in and make it however we would like in the inspector menu. So up here in the inspector and make your text however you want. So now once you have made your text however you would like, come over here to layout and then on type, come down here and select path. So now go ahead and hold command on your keyboard and that will allow you to zoom out. So now go ahead and just click and make a path wherever you would like. So now go ahead and hold command on your keyboard and drag and select all of your keyframes. Or you can just do Shift A and that will grab it. So then go ahead and click on this smooth icon, or you can just do Shift S. So that will smooth out your keyframes so that it will look much better. So now to animate it on the path, all we have to do is come over here to position on path and come down to once it is totally off the screen, go ahead and press a keyframe, and then I'm going to come forward to 80 frames right here, and then bring it over to the other side of the screen, or wherever you want it on the screen, and then you can just have it disappear. So as you can see now, we have our text on the path animation. So if you come back to the edit page, that will show just like this on that path that you created. So if this video is helpful or you liked it, go ahead and click this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.